YouTube channel art, very easy to make, very simple, high resolution, absolutely amazing image quality. We're going to learn how to make that today. Hi guys, my name is Ozzy from Ozzy Visuals. Today we're going to learn how to make YouTube channel art the easy way, and it's absolutely free, so let's get started. Welcome to the magical world of Canva, and on this website we're going to learn exactly how to make free channel art, and it's so easy to do, so let's get started. Okay, so first of all, what we're going to do, you can see this bit here where it says create a design. We need to click on there, and we're going to go on custom dimensions. Okay, and the width we need is going to be for the channel. Now the best YouTube practice for this, the width that we need is going to be 2540, and the height is going to be 1440, and then create new design. Okay, so now that you have your page open here, what you need to do now, I am going to leave a link in the description for this image. Just copy and paste it into your browser, and I'm just going to enter this here right now. So we're just going to obviously make this go a bit bigger, and there you go. I need to cover it to the whole thing. So like I said with the dimensions before, obviously you can see here, it's all there anyway. Okay, right, so what we need to do now, we need to obviously make sure that our channel art has to be, now here's the thing guys, right, the channel art has to be in the right place, which is basically around this area here, which you can see, desktop, minimum and mobile, because when you open a mobile phone and the channel art is complete out here and out there, it's just not going to look nice. So that's what we need to work on today. Okay, so what we're going to do now on this bit is, obviously we can't work on this because, you know, it doesn't look very nice. So what we need to do now, we need to go into here where it says file, click on there, and then on here you can see where it says show rulers. Just click on there. Now on here, now you see the sides, there's some rulers. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to click here, which is left click. Just going to drag that right down. You can see there's a guide here now, so make that go exactly level to there, like that. There's no right or wrong about this, and obviously you need to make another one, so that's going to go on there like that. We need some for the side as well, which goes on here like this, and we need to just get that a bit more there. There we go. And we need one more that's going to go on here. Okay, so now that we have this on there, okay, now here's the thing with this, right, it's very important. Now get rid of this thing. Okay, so now we have our guides, which looks absolutely great. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to make sure that it's going to stay in this area here, because we've got our ruler now, our guides here. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to find a really nice background. So let's go for a cooking theme. Okay, let's go for a nice cooking theme. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this on here. That's a very nice, vibrant, nice yellow color there. So we're going to keep this here. So now what we're going to do is we need to obviously fill this area in here, and we need to decide what it is that exactly we need to do on the sides. Okay, so first of all, what I'm thinking is, let's find a lady. Okay, so let's just go into here where it says photos, go on there. Now I've already pre-done this. Obviously all you need to do is go on there and just type in person PNG. And you can see that obviously these are the pros, which is even good. If you do go for the pro, by all means do that. Or if you do have your own image, you can do that as well. But I'm just going to go into free. I'm just going on through this now just for the sake of the video, so that you see what I'm trying to do here. Right, so there's our lady. We found her right over here, and she is absolutely free. So let's click on her. Now you see obviously it's quite big, so we need to obviously adjust it. Now the way you can adjust this is this way here on these corners like that. And also if you want to close it or cut it, you can obviously, you know, select that as well, make it bigger or however you would like to do that. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to make sure that she fits in here. There we go. And if you keep moving it, you'll see those pink lines. So if you get rid of that, the pink lines disappear and they'll come back. This is basically trying to say that this lady is bang in the middle now, so that's obviously reduced our time to mess around with things. Okay, so there you go, that's that. So now what we're going to do, we're going to add some text on here as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go in here, it says text, and we need to find this one here, it says add a heading, go on there. Now I don't know what to call this lady, let's call her, let's call her Bella. Okay, so now what we need to do, we need to obviously go on here and type in Bella. Let's put cap locks on. Okay, so here we got Bella, and I'm just going to go on the color, and I'm going to change this to white, and I am also going to change the font style. So I like this one better. I think it just looks really nice. So Bella's here, and now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bring Bella right over, say, about there. About here, yeah, that's perfect. Okay, now obviously the text is there, but it doesn't look that nice, so I'm just going to make my own adjustments here. So I'm just going to go into elements, and I'm going to set the shape. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just bring this out a bit more, so it looks like that. Let's have a look. Yep, that should do. I'm just going to change the color to black. Okay, now it's obviously on top of our subject, which we don't want. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on the black bit there. Now, if you look here, right click, we're going to send this backwards. So now our subject is in front of the actual, the actual thing. And that looks really, really neat already. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we are going to, actually, I'm going to make some more adjustments here. So I'm just going to do this. I'm going to keep Bella on the top over here, and I'm gonna change this into black. Right, now you can duplicate this as well. So what you need to do is you need to go onto this one here, duplicate, and then just bring this down here, and that's in the middle, like I said with our guides. And I'm just gonna change this to channel, and let's make this white. There you go, Bella's. So let's just put an S on the end. So it's Bella's. That's Bella's channel. So align that text on the end there. Now this already looks quite neat, but we're not done just as yet. We need to make some more adjustments. So what I'm going to do now. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go into the text again, and I'm going to select this one which says add a subheading. Okay, so go on there, and on here I'm just going to type in new videos every week. I'm just going to bring this down here, and I'm just going to change that to a nice red color. And I'm also going to bring this font a bit down as well. So let's say, yeah, 28 should be okay. That's fine. And let's bring this here in the middle. So new videos every week. Fantastic. And now I'm going to add a little bit of body text. So I'm going to go on there. And on here, I'm going to type in subscribe for more videos. Wow, look at that. Okay, so let's just bring that text a bit more, make that text a bit more like this, smaller. I'm going to go on there. And on this one, we are going to make this bold. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into a different font here. And this one I am also going to change red. And the 4 more videos, I'm going to change this to white. So already we've got really nice looking sort of artwork here already. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is, because I don't want to obviously mess anything up, I'm just going to left click, drag, so you can come this on. I'm going to select all of these. And now you can see this bit here where it says group. Just going to click on there. So now when I move it around, you can see it's all in one place. Okay, so let's move Bella back to her position. So that's the left part of the channel art, and now I'm going to go ahead and do the right side as well. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I am going to do another add heading. And on here, I'm going to type subscribe. And this one, we're going to do it to this as well. And again, we just want to make sure that is perfectly sized. And we're going to add this one, say here. So she's pointing at it, okay? Like this. And this one, we are going to do it so that it is white. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go in here again and select our free square image. And we're going to just basically put this, so again it's overlapping Bella here. I'm going to drag that out again. And now we're going to change that color to red. And now what we're going to do, again, right click, what we did before, send backward. So now Bella is in front of there as well, and she's pointing at there to subscribe. Now this is optional. Obviously, if you do have a website, you can do this. If not, you don't have to. Go on a subheading again and type in www.bellas.com. And now we're just going to bring this down a bit in size. Not that much, say about 24 will do, I think. And let's put this in the middle. So it's there like that. And on the font, we're going to make this red. And if you want to drag it out, you can do. Put that in the middle. Now take a look at that. That is a very, very, very good and a very, very nice looking channel art. Looks professional, the right resolution is perfect. So now what we're going to do is we're going to download it. So you can hear it says download. Click on there. And we are going to do a PNG suggested because YouTube loves PNGs, whether the thumbnails, whether the channel art. So we're going to download this now here. And once this is downloaded, I'm going to go into YouTube and show you exactly how you can actually put this on there. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to open up YouTube and I'm going to show you exactly how to put this channel art on your YouTube channel as well. Okay, so now we have our YouTube channel here. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can change. Now, when you log into your YouTube channel and go into your channel, which is basically what you do is you go into here and then you go into your channel and then this page will open up. So now what we need to do, we need to click on this bit here where it's got a camera. So when you hover over to it, you can see it's got a camera on there. Now that will take you to another page, okay? So don't be too alarmed. This is the new layout now. First you could just do it from the home page, but now this is how you do it. I think it's quite nice because they've changed it a lot and it does look a lot better, okay? So now what we need to do, we need to go onto this bit here. This is banner image and click on change. Now once you've opened your image, this is what it's going to look like, okay? Now this here, this is very, very important. It says here viewable on all devices. So whether if you're using a mobile phone, whether you're using an iPad, whether you're using a laptop, desktop, whatever it is that you're using, you will always see basically this, which looks really, really nice. So now what we're going to do, we're just going to go on here and click done. And that's it. And then what you do then is you can go on to publish. So now that has been published, we're going to go onto our channel and see what it looks like. And again, like I said earlier, you basically what you do is you go into here, your channel. There you go. Look at that, guys. Come on. Come on, look at that. That looks nice. And this is just one example, but honestly, there's so many more that you can do. I think that looks absolutely great. I couldn't obviously fault that any longer. I think that looks really, really nice. And yeah, so Canva is a very, very nice website, very easy to use. That there's just no limit to what you can do. There's so much that you can do on there. This is just one example, and there is a lot of things that you can do, guys. Okay, so my name is Ozzy. Hope you enjoyed this. Keep creating, and I'd love to see what you guys do. If you have, obviously you can comment below, and I will have a look at your channel as well. No problem at all. So that's it for today. My name's Ozzy, and I will see you guys later. Take care now. Bye.